channel Kamsi Space, where we make videos on food recipes, vlogs, and lifestyle. Are you watching this video for the first time? Wow! Thank you so much for watching. Please do consider subscribing, commenting, liking, and sharing. And to our returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. In today's video, I want to show you how to make banana bread with 7 ingredients. So join me in the kitchen. Yeah, my people were right in the kitchen. You know our normal routine, washing the hands before cooking or making anything in the kitchen. Like I said, in this video is about banana bread. Banana bread is a type of bread made from mashed bananas. It is often a more sweet cake like cooked bread. The ingredients for this banana bread: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 large eggs, 2 ripe bananas. I'm going to mash these bananas. First, I'm going to peel and mash this banana. Then set it aside and do the other process. Now, set it aside. In a large bowl, combine the flour, salt, baking powder, and mix it with a mix. Set it aside. In another bowl, add the melted butter, the brown sugar, now mix it in the mixer. Now add the 2 eggs and mix again. Now add the mashed banana. Now add the mashed banana and mix again. Now add the flour mixture. And mix. See how fluffy and smooth prepared loaf pan. Now bake for 30 minutes, but first rub egg plus milk and spread on top of your banana bread. Now bake for 30 minutes in the oven. Make sure you preheat your oven before baking anything.
Yeah, my people, the banana bread is ready to enjoy. See how smooth and yummy it looks. I'm sure you like this video, so give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, like and share. Remember to hit the notification bell on to be notified when next we post a new video. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.